Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make the first layer. So if you don't know what is the first layer, I will tell you. So first layer is nothing but making color, including the corners and the edges will be paired up. See, every four sides have been paired up. This is what is first layer. Before learning the first layer, you should know how to make cross. That's nothing but making a plus sign. And if you don't know, no problem guys. I have uploaded a video on that detailedly and I will give the link in the description. So I don't want to bore you, so let's start it up. So first I will shuffle it up. So yeah, the cross is here. Now how to make the first layer is to find a corner with white color in it. For example, this. See, there's blue and red including white. So there's a white piece, so this is the correct corner. Now we are going to take this to its matching color. So here is blue and on the top it's red. So first let's find the blue. So blue is here and red is here. So we are going to bring this corner in the middle of these two. So if we just do an U prime, now see, blue are matching and red are matching. So now we have bought the corner in between of these two. So now we will do I will tell you how to match it up. So you have to bring this white piece here. So if you just push this one down, the edge piece goes off. So we are going to do is that face the white piece. So facing. Next, if it is in the left side, you are going to push it to the right side. If it is in the right side, you are going to push it to the left side. So now it is in the left side. See, elbow. Now we are going to move it to the right side. So move it to the right side. So as it was in the left side layer, we are going to take this one up. Now we are going to pass this white with this white. Pair it up. Now we are just going to align it. So it was here, right? So just push it one down. Now you have solved the corner. I will show you again. So push it to the opposite side, which is in the left. So to the right. Take the left side layer to the top. Pair these two. Now align it. See, you have solved the corner. Next, you have to do the same for all the three pieces. There are certain cases which would be a little bit confusing. I will tell you clearly. So the first case is nothing but the corner would be solved but in the wrong place. So nothing guys, you are just gonna do an R U R prime U prime, this one. So R U R prime U prime. So this will bring the para. If you think that okay, this is like an L, this is long and you can't memorize it, simple guys, you are gonna do the same. So move to the right, take it up. Now push this one here and move down. The same thing, but you have to imagine something like that. So imagine this is your white color, or if the piece is not there in the down, so I find the piece and I pair it up. I will show you again. Imagine any piece as the white piece, so keep it in the front. So you are going to do the same. So it's in the left side, so push it to the right side. So take this one layer, pair this one and push this down. Now the corner is out. So this is the first case. The second case is nothing but the corner will face at the top. So if it is facing to the top, bring it to the front and make sure that the corner is not solved in the layer which the piece is here. So this piece in the right side layer, in this side, so there's no corner piece here. Make sure there's no corner piece. If it is there, this will not work and the corner piece will also be destroyed. So first we are going to do that L. So this is not like an L, you can just memorize it as moves or you can just see what it does. So we'll just take this one down. So we are going to take this one up to the back side. See, take this up to the back. Next, we are just going to put any piece inside to it, but not like this guys, it will make this one here. So we are going to push this one out here. So push this one and bring it down. Now the corner is out, then you can just go and solve it up, but it may be a little bit confusing, so I'll tell you again what you are going to do. So this may be another way to memorize it. What are they gonna do is that don't keep it in the front. So this should be unsolved and push this one here. If it is in the left, you can just push it to the right. If it is in the right, you can just push it to the left. So if it is in the right, so push it to the left. We are going to take this layer up. Now we are not going to attach this one, but we are going to push this one to the back, but in the right side layer. So we are going to push this one 2 times, which is nothing but U prime 2. So 1 time, so it is here. So we didn't go here. So 1 more time, it went there. Now you can just align this piece. Now the piece is in the front. Now you can just go and solve. So I'll show you. Now white is there. So red and green. So let's bring it to the red and green. So the green is here. So maybe it can go here. U. Now let's see. Green and green are matching up. Red and red are matching up. So we are going to solve it up. First we will face the white piece. Faced it. So now it is in the right side layer. Push it to the left side. It was in the right side layer, right? So we are going to take this one up, pair this one with this white edge and bring it down. Now we have solved this piece. So let's go to the next one. And one more, guys, there's another case like this where the piece will be flipped. So the white will not be solved, but the white will face you in the bottom. So that's simple, guys. I'm just gonna push this one to the top, push this one inside. So you're gonna push this one inside. One thing, guys, if it's in the right side, you are gonna do U prime. If it's in the left side, you are gonna do U. So it's in the right side. Now you are going to U prime. So R to take this one out. Now U prime to bring this one at the back. Put it at the back. Now we are just gonna align it up. Align it. Now the corners are the front. I'll show you again. So it's in the front. Now take it up. Push this to the back. Now bring it down. Done. Now we are gonna attach this one. So bring it to the front. Face the white. Orange is matching up. Green is matching up. So it's in the right side layer. So push it to the left side. It was on the right side layer. So take this one up. Pair this one with the edge. Now align it up. So we have the last corner piece. So it's here. So now you are going to push it one. So orange and orange are matching up and blue are matching up. So now we are also facing the white. So it's in the left side. So we are going to push this to the right side. See, the right side. Now we are going to attach this one here by taking this layer up. Attach this white with this white and push this down. Simple, guys. Now you know how to solve the first layer, and maybe this video will be a little shorter, but it's perfect for you guys. And thank you for watching this. I'll meet you in my next video. Happy cubing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy cubing, guys.